Alright, are we set? Are we good to go? I think we might be set and ready to go. First, smash the like. Yo, Trey, thank you so much. Appreciate you. Hold on one second. About to. What the heck is with this? So weird. Alright. Let's dive on in. Oh, crap. Hold on, I forgot one thing. I forgot to tell Discord. Oh no. I really need to set up the bot for in here. I just haven't done it yet. Oh boy. Oh boy. There we go. Alright. We're good. We're good. We did it. We did it. Alright. Checking out Bitcoin on the weekly. This is beautiful. So, the weekly basically confirmed where our bull flag was because we had this confirmed back test of the flag. So, there was a lot of doubt in a lot of people's mind where it could have been, and thank you, weekly. You showed us. Not to mention, if we come down to the daily, oh, noted, we have tons of room to run to the upside on the weekly. Weekly look crazy strong. It looks crazy strong. Daily looks way stronger than the weekly. It just, whoo, we're in for some fun times for not only this week, the following week. Moonvember is on, baby. Let's just hope that the wars don't manage to screw things up. Also, we got the election coming too. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be real fun. Anyways, so we do have this confirmed breakout. Now I can say with more confidence that Bitcoin measured move for the daily time frame, we could be seeing prices getting up to $100,439. This is the possibility if that is the only bit of bull flag. The weekly, however, it's saying we could go a bit higher. So your weekly is basically saying this could be the measured move for Bitcoin. We could see prices get all the way up here to $112,000. So this is actually phenomenal. This is fantastic. I'd love to see it. Let's get rid of these things. So we're aiming for 6 figures. Beautiful. And the funny part is, technically speaking, we could see it before the end of the year. It's a possibility. In the shorter term, for you shorter term traders who want to trade on the daily, we could be seeing prices getting up to $72,387. Still would not be all-time highs. But we would be competing for those all-time high numbers. Very, very nice to see. If we do look at this as more of a short-term bull flag, it could be a little higher. We could be seeing those all-time highs. So, looking at our downward resistance here, the possibility of a breakout coming soon is there. It is there, but also we could pull back. So, always keep the bearish number in mind. Always keep it in mind. But from a shorter term bull flag, we could see 78,087. Considering you're so close to 80,000, and 80,000 is a nice round number, I would guess 80K. So this looking darn solid. Let's go ahead and check out the Bitcoin dominance real quick. Bitcoin dominance. We are high. We are very high. Bitcoin dominance got as high as 59.76%. That is crazy. We also broke out. That's even more insane. Wow. We not only broke out, we back tested the top as support, and we started to rally off of it. Lots of people buying Bitcoin right now. Lots of big boys buying Bitcoin right now. This is wild times to be in the market. Take a look at math. Price possible 75 plus bullish. More money. We will check that out once I get done diving into the rest of these charts that I like to look at. So we will. So that's Bitcoin dominance. Let's look at total market cap for crypto. We can see we're almost broken out. We are almost broken out for totals. This is very, very nice. Very, very nice. If we do break out, we could see the total market cap get up here to $3.49 trillion. That's actually wild. Your daily is indicating that we could start seeing that rally as soon as tonight. Ugh. Sheesh. hopefully you're into your favorite altcoin, because the altcoin market cap is really what has been beaten into oblivion. I'm going to show you that right now with Total 2. I don't think we even need to pay attention to Total 3 anymore because of how weak Ethereum has been in the past years. So looking at Total 2, all of the altcoins, we are poised for a breakout, possibly 56% upside upon that breakout, getting us to a $1.52 trillion market cap. The great thing about this, you would expect your favorite altcoin to have a minimum movement of 56.83%. Considering how low a lot of these altcoins are, I believe that can happen. So we're just waiting for this thing to break out. It's a beautiful bull flag. We'll wait and see. Actually, if we look at the weekly on this, it might even be a bigger move than that. We might have something kind of like this going on, where it could get up to 1.742 trillion and get to all-time highs. The possibilities are there. Things are looking super bullish going into November. I love to see it. Also, another great thing, we don't have to worry about those massive futures contracts that end on the final Friday of the month, all the way till the end of November. And I think it's going to be close to that Black Friday. Let me see here. It will actually be Black Friday, November 29th. So be careful around that time. We might see some crazy volatility around that time. But, I mean, we got, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 whole weeks to make some money. Anyway, so that is totals right now. Let's dive into Ethereum next. Ethereum tested the lower part of the demand line down here, and we're bouncing back. That's kind of nice. So Ethereum currently set up for a lot of upside. Right now you are above the resistance, sitting at $2,478. And your stochastic's very low on the daily. This thing could actually rally. So I'm guessing within the month, we could see Ethereum trading up here around 3,351. As long as people stop selling it, that would be great. But I do believe we are far enough into this pattern, we should be able to see a breakout. Just some guy next week looking real good, going long. Hell yeah, it's looking good, brother. Hell yeah, it's looking good. Even on Ethereum. That's the shocking part. Even on Ethereum. How we doing, Rich? How we doing? I'm doing great. Hopefully you are too. All right, checking out BNB, and then we'll dive into Solana, and we'll go from there. Oh my goodness. BNB, I believe, is about to go on, what is this? A 11.64% run. Get in. This thing looks ready to cook. Hold on, I'm going to dive into the 4 hour real fast. 4 hour, lot left to be desired. But did we take over? We took over our 200. We took over our 100. Oh, we're hitting the 100. No, but plenty of room on the relative strength to go up. Is our 1 hour looking good? Is it looking good? Boy. Apparently I need to send an invoice. Alright, cool. We're going to get some extra trading funds. Let's go! I'm actually going to send that out real quick. Hold on. Sorry, this throws off everything. I was trying to get all my work done before I started stream. One of my clients just got back to me, so bear with me for a second. What is it? This is important, so then we can start putting in some crazy trades. Hold on. You know what? I'm going to keep talking real quick. We'll get into the request, then I'll do this. Sorry. I'm just going to get back on topic here. So, your 1 hour, it's trying to get a breakout. It's great. If you were trading BNB token and you wanted to jump into this trade right this second, your stop loss should possibly be somewhere around 584.40 cents. So keep that in mind when looking at BNB. But yeah, you could see this thing rally straight up to $656. Could see that. If it does break out of this rising wedge pattern, this could be a really big deal because that's some short squeezing fuel. So with a short squeeze, you could see this thing rally up like this. Another 23% upside, getting you not only to all-time highs, but $793. My fib retracement sitting at $841. So we could see price mosey its way right on up there for Binance token. That is crazy. Anyways, let's get into Solana, and then we will go into Math, which is our very first request. So going into Solana, Solana did a very big thing. It dipped. It V-shape recovered. It is back above 174.37. Hopefully you did not sell your Solana bags too early. 225 is our target. 225 is our target. However, we got to worry about the elephant in the room here. Solana is showing hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour. It's now turned into a possible double top situation. Elephant in the room, just saying, it's a possibility. It could pull back again. Don't get mad at the messenger. But looking at your 1 hour, your 1 hour is trading up while resetting your stochastic. It could rally tonight. Could rally. Well, your Sol 5X long that got opened when we crashed at 162 is looking fantastic. Up 40%. $700. Rich. Fantastic job. Proud of you for that trade. Love to see it. Love to see that. So good job on the trade. Let's keep making money, brother. Let's keep making that money. We all trying to retire the family tree. Remember that. Trying to retire the family tree. Anyways, going into Math. We're going to check it out on Gate.io. Math actually finding some serious support. Serious support. So, more money. I understand you're aiming for 75 cents. I think you're aiming a little low, brother. I do think you're aiming a little bit low. Because you can see distinctively you had a breakout of this level. You shot up to your 75-cent level. That's fine, but welcome to a bull market. We don't just match our highs and pull back. We usually go higher. So, you pulled back down to this trading range. You're now finding support off the exact same level. You have a low 1 hour stochastic. This thing could actually start rallying tonight. It could. Looking at your 4 hour, a lot left to be desired, but you could consolidate here for a little bit. Your target, if you break above 41.66, you are aiming at 98.26. That is your target. You hit this 60.39 once. I would expect this thing to break out, back test, and shoot up here. So don't aim your sights too low on that 75 cents. Aim for that 98.26. If we check out our weekly, this is where we get that number from. All we did was come straight down. The fact that we pulled back once, pulled back twice, doesn't make much sense that we stopped in no man's land. It really doesn't. What is more likely to happen is you will come straight up to 98.26, and if you can break 98.26, you'll see price at $1.70. So don't sell yourself short. Do not get out of that trade early. You are sitting on top of important support, actually. Very important support, apparently. Because back here, this little candle, this is what held you up before you came up and then you fell below. Now you're on the upswing. The fact that you're holding support right here just shows this thing could fly. So you have two targets for Math right now. Math could be going up 159%. However, it could very possibly go up 345%. Do not get out of that trade early. That is my only warning. Don't do that. Because this thing could rally way higher than you're expecting if you're aiming for 75 cents. So yeah. You still have your Sol 5X long for 141 that we talked about, and that I took 75% profit. Still open. Nice. Very nice, Rich. Love to hear that. Love to hear it. But yeah, more money. Math is set up for glory. It is set up for glory. This thing looks like a varsity athlete, and it's only going into its freshman year. This thing looks crazy. Absolutely crazy. And looking at your daily, you're fully reset and ready to rock and roll. Math look good. The math is mathing. The math is mathing. One thing that is taking off right now that I failed to post the picture. I'm sorry. I failed you guys in Discord, but it's already starting to move. StoreJ. StoreJ, you had a breakout of this consolidation. This is a technical back test. You reset your indicators and everything. So 64 to 91 cents. StoreJ is set and ready to rock and roll. You're about to get a golden cross as well. StoreJ looking damn fine. Damn fine. Anywhere between 39 and 95% upside, and it's running right now. It is running. So, not financial advice. But I'm sorry for not telling you all sooner. I'm sorry. That's on me. That's my bad. I failed you. But if you go lower leverage, you can jump into this bad boy now. You can jump in that now. I don't look at the 12. Damn it. I don't look at the 12. Your 4 hour has a little bit of work to do. Not going to lie. It has a little bit of work to do. But right now, you're retaking your 200 simple moving average. So keep that in mind with StoreJ. StoreJ's moving. StoreJ's moving. It's moving and grooving. Also, be prepared for a Monday pullback. Be prepared for that. I don't know if it's going to be a big pullback or a small pullback. I don't know. I just know they get a little wild about these gaps. And now, for Bitcoin, there will be a CME future gap. So be careful on that. Just be careful. All right, I need to do this invoice real quick. Hold on. What in the world? Oh, god dang it. What is there? That's what it is. God dang it. That's what I want. What the fuck? Shit. You know what? Copy. It's gonna drive me nuts. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hold on, I just need 1 second, guys. Also, if you have any requests, drop them in right now. Drop them in. Oh, also, Sui, I'm shorting it. I'm shorting it. I don't care what you say. I'm shorting it. You lost support. You rounded the top. You're high in your stochastic of the 4. I don't care that you're oversold. I'm shorting it. If it does rally, we could come up here. But I'm shorting it. Leaving the short open, too, going into Monday. I think this thing's about to get nuked. Go on down to 1555. I'm shorting it. I feel good about it, too. Feel good about it. Okay. What? Let's try 720. Add that. Save that. Okay, and done. All right, I did it. I got all my actual work done today. Officially. All of you should be proud of me. I feel good about it. No way somebody just asked for XRP, right? No way? No way. Somebody did. Oh my god. Can I take a look at XRP? Oh, Jesus. You're asking for XRP. Like, is that ironically that you're doing it? You should short it. I did short it. I did. I don't even feel bad about shorting Sui. I don't feel bad whatsoever. Alright, checking out XRP. You lost critical support. You gained it back. So I would say XRP is set up for maybe sometime in the next 2 years to possibly see 62 cents once again. Somewhere in the next 2 years. Are we in agreement there? Time frame we're looking for? In this godforsaken stablecoin? Oh my goodness. Alright, in all honesty though, you are in this consolidation pattern. You've been in this consolidation pattern since, what is it, July 10th? And it does look like you're about to get a little bit of resolution, which is fantastic. Anything else looking good to short going into tomorrow? I think Sui looks the best, if I'm being honest, but we're going to check a lot of charts. So, Sarah, I will get back to you on that one. XRP, you are actually set up for a great move. You're set up amazing for it. I just don't know how many weeks it's going to take to get there. So, once it breaks out, technically speaking, you should be able to see XRP trading up here at $1.10. We haven't seen $1.10 since November 1st of 2021. Yeah. Yeah, that was a long time ago. That was 3 years ago. I haven't seen that. That's a long time ago. And you have resistance at 86 cents that you're going to have to contend with because you tried once. You got this great consolidation from it. All right. All right. So XRP, I mean, it's just, I don't like looking at this chart because, I mean, you can see why. I don't like this chart. I don't like that chart. I hate that chart so much. I hate this chart so much. Oh my god. Crazy. All right. So we're looking for shorting opportunities. When we look for shorts, we're looking for things that have rallied like crazy that could be pulling back. Now, Sarah, finding shorting opportunities in this market surprisingly hard. Like, it's actually surprisingly hard. So I like the challenge. I do like the challenge. I'm going to start leaning toward SXP because XXP had a decent day. Let's hope it's going to have a terrible evening. I take it back. XXP looks so damn good. Damn it. This is hard. This is a hard ask. Can we short Solana? I would not do that. I would not do that. Solana showed its strength. Solana said, like, it's basically Tesla. Short it at your own risk. Good luck with that. I don't think shorting Solana is a good idea. I mean, you managed to trend up while resetting your stochastic. You're not overbought on the daily. You retook that level of what was once resistance as support at $174. You also have this beautiful target of 225. Me personally, that's not a short I'm willing to take. I have too many reasons to go long. I can't go short on Solana. The only thing I can go off of right now is the fact that you have a high and your first slightly lower high while showing hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour. That's the only thing I can go off of. So let's say you do pull back. I'm just looking for support at 169. So I don't think that's worth shorting. I mean, you're trying to grab a 4% drop. That's kind of rough. That's yikes. 4% drop for the possibility of a 27% rise. I don't know if that's a good idea. I do not know. So I personally am not doing that. Sui, on the other hand, the reason why I'm shorting Sui, it's giving me all the stuff in the things. Buy the dip. That's what I'm leaning toward for Solana right now. Buying the dip is probably a good idea. I'm saying probably. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know what's going to happen with the wars. I don't know what's going to happen with the election. I don't know any of that. I don't know if the Fed's going to come out tomorrow and be like, we're raising interest rates. I don't know. All I do know is some things look like that you should short, others don't. So this Sui, you had a bearish pattern, a bearish breakdown, a back test of resistance, and more room to fall. So Sui looks ready for a nice little fall. Aave started to look strong again. You're right, Sarah. I was actually looking at that the other day. You're absolutely right. We're going to look at Aave. But yeah, these are all the reasons why Sui, I could see a short being a good option. Also on your 1 hour, the fact that you had 2 hours of bullishness and your stochastic got that high, are we for real? That's not a sign of bullish price action. That's a sign of we're ready to die. So I am shorting. And with this short, I'm looking to gain 11% downside. I hope it happens fast. I really hope it happens fast, because the longer they drag this out, the more pissed off I'm going to be. I hope it happens fast. Alright, checking out Aave next. Aave. Aave. Alright, Aave did something great. So, I remember back here, I was calling for Aave to fall. It had a crazy little bump up. Okay, but you got your back test. This is the best back test on the planet. Greatest back test ever. Let's go out to the daily. Not only did you get your back test, oh, that kind of sucks. You lost your 50, but you had your breakout, your back test. Now you're looking for where can this thing go? You're aiming for $202. That is the aiming point. You are above a local level of resistance based off this candle high close here. So let's just say it does roll back down and it retests that 143. That might be a very good opportunity to jump in for the possibility of 41% upside. Aave doesn't seem to want to pull back with BTC. That's true. But the problem with that, it's like it'll just randomly pull back, and it's just like, what happened there? It's fine. I do like on this wick down though, it fully took all of this liquidity that was sitting here before it rallied up. So there isn't much more. Oh, that's what we didn't look at. Liquidations for Bitcoin. We're gonna have to look at that. Kind of take a look at Beam if you can. I can, simply. I can. I got you covered. So Aave on the daily, you look extremely strong. Aave on the 4 hour. 4 hour could consolidate because you do have all of your moving average starting to come down on you. That's fine. You also have this demand line you're going to have to argue with for a little bit right here. There could be some arguments. So I would say if you're trying to get a leverage trade out of this, a really good opportunity would be if this thing hits back test on that back test. That would be a very good point to try and get in. Let's check your 1 hour. Yeah, it looks like your 1 hour is getting into that overbought territory, so maybe it does come up to this demand line here at 152.83, and the reason why I say 152.83, you have candle high closes right up here, sitting at 152.83, but maybe it gets up there, then it comes around for a bullish back test. That back test is going to be the golden ticket. Golden ticket. And if you are going into Monday and we are expecting some form of pullback, then I would say it might be a very good opportunity to get in. On top of that, it would turn into an inverse head and shoulders. That's kind of neat. I didn't realize that right away, but you can see shoulder, head, possible shoulder being formed. Once you get that other shoulder, 41%. All right, we're going to check out Beam next. Beam? Hello? I don't have it on my watch list? Damn it. I'm going to have to update my watch list. That's not going to be fun. It's not going to be fun. Okay, Beam looks interesting, to say the least. So you have a confirmed breakout. You tried breaking out once, you back tested, now you broke out. Problem is, you didn't get a back test after the breakout. That's annoying. That's annoying. I don't like that. That's frustrating. So if you can hold 18097, if you can hold that, you're more than likely going to break out of this 19561 level. And since we're going into Moonvember, I'm not thinking these yellow lines are going to pose much resistance. I do think the red lines will. So we could see a 67% rise up for Beam. Beam is poised for a lot of upside. You've tested this level once, twice, 3 times, now 4 times. It's bound to be getting weaker. Thank you, dinner time. Have a great night. No problem, Sarah. Hopefully you have a fantastic evening. Look forward to seeing you into the next stream, hopefully, or even just view the videos. No big deal. Or I'll see you in Discord. One of those options. Have a great night. Eat well. And sleep well. Everybody get good sleep. You need good sleep. Also exercise. It's good for you. Alright. I'm done lecturing you like I'm your parent. 4-hour time frame. You've had very little movement up. Very high stochastic. I would be expecting a bit of consolidation. If you're impatient and trying to jump into this trade, guess what? Your stop loss needs to be below this crazy low wick right here, 17235. So I would say just wait for indicators to reset, maybe even wait for the morning. Just give it some time. It's okay. You don't need to be in it right now. You don't. There are other options, other opportunities, other ways to become amazing. But no, Beam looks really good. I'm just waiting for consolidation. Once you get that consolidation, get a little confirmation of support, which, since you had a downtrend, you want to get that confirmation. Just come down here, give it a little kiss, and then, yeah, about 67% upside could be happening for Beam. Could be happening. Up to 30508. Let's see what your weekly says about that. Your weekly gonna argue with you? No, it's not. You're in neutral territory. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Beam looking strong. Beam has been eating its Wheaties. That's what I'm gonna say. It's been eating its Wheaties. It looks good. I'm not gonna lie to you. It looks good. So simply better. Hopefully that helped you out. Hopefully you enjoy. BNX. Let's see if it actually broke any. No, it didn't. BNX. Oof. Oh, I got stopped out of my long last night. I was a little disappointed, but is what it is. BNX still downtrending, still in the graveyard with your relative strength. Looks like it's trying to turn up now. We did get our first slightly higher low, which is great. But this demand line, it's just killing you. So BNX, if we can get down here to 5735, might be a trading opportunity for you. Just might be. Looks like Bitcoin having a slight pullback right now, causing the altcoins to get buried suddenly. Not bad. Not bad at all. Don't get mad about the slight pullbacks. It's okay. Did this thing just get to its like 50% retrace? It did. Simply better, no problem. No problem at all. It did. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 hour. See, frustrating thing about this type of consolidation here, it's like trending up. It's trending up. That sucks. Is that a double top? No, it's not. Broke through. To Closer. Hello, buddy. Can you check Moonwell? How high you think it'll go? I don't know. Me trying to guess what a meme coin will do, I have no idea. Honestly, no idea. Nor do I have skin in the game. So I'll check it out, though. No skin in that game. I'll tell you what. None whatsoever. Is this a bear flag? This is a gosh darn bear flag. What? Oh, no. BNX. Jeez. What? Who got on BNX's bad side? BNX is poised for 49 cents. If this plays out, that's crazy. It's DeFi coin on base chain. Wait, that's what Moonwell is? I didn't even know. So, this is news to me. We'll check out Moonwell right now. I'm just seeing the utter devastation BNX could have. Ew, gross. This thing's ready to pull back hard. Even with the golden cross on the 15-minute. That's too bad. Yeah, this is not giving me feel-good feelings. Looks like we're about to start downtrending. Oh, no. Based off the hidden bearish divergence, I would be shorting you? Oh, no. What's our percentage, dude? I might get out of my Sui trade for the 13% downside possible move. Anywhere between 13, 21, or 22%. Yikes. Oh no. Sarah left too early. We could short BNX. Oh no. Okay. All right. Sorry, Sarah. I found it. I found it. Damn. You even got your 3 touches. Makes it even worse. Oh, what a heartbreak. What a heartbreak. You get a stop loss. What? Right around here? 6602 based off these candle closes here. Just to be a little more safe. Maybe get it up here at 6618. It's a pretty tight stop loss for a 13.69% drop. Crazy. All right, Moonwell. Moonwell to US dollar. I don't know why I just feel like calling it Manuel, but here we are. That's just me. Just Jesus. Hold on. There's somewhere else I could look at this thing. Gate.io. Okay. All right. Jeez. Can't look at it on Coinbase. Oh man. Moonwell, pretty easy target that you could get to. This candle high close. 19232. Yeah, pretty easy target to recognize right there. But as long as you stay above 5706, no, a little bit lower. As long as you stay above 5553, I mean, yeah, you could just keep going up. Thing you should worry about though, you're starting to show a little bit of weekly hidden bearish divergence. So this thing could pull back pretty hard. Could pull back pretty hard. So be careful there. You're probably going to want to get a back test down here before you even think about entering into a new long. That weekly hidden bearish divergence makes it to where I wouldn't even look at this token for months. I don't like hidden bearish divergence on the weekly. It's really, really bad. It is really bad. You only have it on the relative strength. You do not have it on your MACD. So the possibility of more upside, it is still there, but you can see there's nothing in between. Oh, there's nothing in between these two levels. It's your first time getting back in there after this huge drop. Nothing in between those levels. And then you have a nice pocket that can catch you on the way down if it breaks this level. Let's go out to the daily. Is this? Okay, daily is showing bearish convergence, not divergence, not anything like that. Just shows a pullback should be coming. You are overbought. You haven't been this overbought since you were down here. So you're expecting it to come down. Target is back down here. I would say, if you're not already in Moonwell, wait for the reset of all of your indicators before getting in. But you also have this little level of a support that could catch you right there. Trade intuition. What is up? What is up? So yeah, I'd be looking for the pullback for Moonwell. It's had an amazing run. I mean, even yesterday it was up 38%. This thing went crazy. Now it's like, hey, probably a good time to take a little profit. However, since it's such a low cap coin, this thing could rally straight up to 18,897. Possibilities are there. I just wouldn't feel comfortable opening a fresh new position there. 4-hour time frame, you're in bullish control zone. You gave yourself a little bit of room to fall, and you're putting in a demand line. So as long as you're below this line, right there, as long as you're below it, just keep waiting. Just keep waiting. And then we can see on the 4-hour, we do have this other level right here at 7376 where you could find some bids. It is possible. So these are the levels to look out for. These two yellow levels. It's a nice little pocket that should be liquidity. Let's pull up our VRVP. Let's see what that looks like. Yikes. We lose this level here. You're all the way back down to the red line. Not very much volume in between. Not very much. That is scary. You're on like your last legs here. You lose this level, straight down. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But yeah, this, I would be expecting it to fall further. So yeah, Moon well. I'm looking for a pullback, but target right now I'm looking at 18897. Hopefully that helped out. Decloser. Hopefully that helped out. But yeah, it just got a little overextended. Got a little too exciting. 1 hour's trying to rally. It's trying its best. That demand line I still think is going to hold you down though. Trying real hard. Yes, much appreciated. No problem. No problem. All right, let's peek in on the trade. The SUI trade. Currently down 0.65%. We're looking good. Are we in the positive over here? No, we're down 6%. But I'm leaving it open all night. I have zero faith in SUI to continue its absolutely absurd rally, even if it did reset its indicators on the daily. Don't care. I do not care. But you are about to test the 50 simple moving average once again. If we lose that, things can get pretty bad. Also, SUI, in all honesty, SUI should be falling down to 124 or 106. 155, I'm being generous. Allowing it to only fall there, I am being generous. I'm out here doing charity with that. Alright? Don't you get mad at me over it. Don't you dare. Giving SUI the respect it deserves by only taking this level. But yeah, that 4 hour needs to reset. 4 hours looking a little dusty, you know. Alright, SXP still trying to rally. That's interesting. So SXP, objectively, you could see it trade all the way up to 37.29. It's possible. The only problem is you had a very good day. You had a very good day. Not overbought, but you're testing that 200 daily moving average. You do now have a demand line that is completely formed. Interesting look here, SXP. Interesting look. Nice little consolidation happening. I want both of them. I want to know what happens here. I want them both. So this thing could consolidate for a while, but once you get toward the end, I'm very interested to see how high this thing goes. Because you break that 37, I mean, this thing looks ready to go. You're in all-time lows area. This is accumulation area down here. This is I'm ready to go buy some houses area once it's done moving. So you can see how it came down once, came up, came down twice, came up, third time, lower than everything else. Hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. When you see hidden bullish divergence on the weekly, you sit in this thing for months. For months. You just enjoy those gains. I should have made a video about this. This is another swing trader's dream right here. SXP. Swing trader's dream. Because look at this crazy upside potential you could have. Where in reality, you got this pocket right here. That's probably where you're going to stop if you can break above 66.92. SXP. Looking sexy. What are these targets? Hold on, I want to see. What are these targets? 46%. 154%. 500 to 536%. This is what dreams are made of right here. These are what dreams are made of. Swing trader's paradise. Nope, didn't want that one. Wanted that one. Oh my word. Oh my word. Yeah, you break above that. SXP gonna look real nice. Gonna look real nice. I can tell you it'll look real good in your portfolio. Oh my. You've already gotten your 3 touches. You got your hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. You got all the ingredients. Let's go make this 5-course meal. Are we serious? Okay. We might be accumulating SXP. We just might be. Don't worry about it. It's on the quest to the $10 million. This one is on our quest. Holy guacamole. What? Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to be accumulating this one. Hey, how's it looking? Max, we looking good. We looking good. I'm expecting a Monday pullback as normal because there's going to be some CME futures gap. Everybody's like, we got to fill it, bro. So maybe over the night we'll have a pullback. Maybe tomorrow the pullback happens. But for next week, it's looking pretty darn good out here, Max. Looking pretty good. All right, so I mentioned Nero the other day on stream. Nero started moving. It really started moving. You're on a confirmed breakout with Nero. As I mentioned before, 115% upside target. We started moving. It's on you guys if you didn't get in. That's not my fault. It's on you. We're above resistance. All right. Anyways, it's great. It's awesome. Love it. The fact that you broke it and then you shot up, God, just evil traders. Evil. Oh, but I don't think you can leverage this one on weeks, so it doesn't really matter. You can just accumulate it. But yeah, 115%. Yesterday, you got a 64% day for Nero. That was a big day for Nero. Big day for Nero. Let's go ahead and check out Mask. Oh, would you look at that? We're still on that confirmed breakout. We're sitting here ready and waiting. Ooh. All right, Mask still has the opportunity of getting up to $3.52. Just needs to break some resistance at $2.51. Okay. All right. Daily, a little left to be desired. Not gonna lie. Don't like how fast that stochastic got up there. I really don't. Let's see what the 4 hour is saying. 4 hour looks gross. Maybe I'm late. How's Soul looking? Soul looking very strong. You are late. Soul looks very strong though. So Soul currently sitting at $176. You beautiful V-shaped recovery. We're expecting indicators to reset, so all things considered, you could hold support at 174.37. If you do, then you have a very quick run up to 225 in the near future. In the near future. But Soul looking very, very good. As I said when it was dipping, we found support off 159. We haven't seen those levels again. I don't know if we're going to see those levels again during this bull run either. So keep that in mind while you're thinking about Solana. Anybody trying to short Solana right now, I wish you the best of luck. You have the grapes of King Midas himself. Because, oh my goodness, to short this right now, scary. Very scary to short it. I have nothing but reasons why it could go up. So anybody shorting it, I mean, if you end up making money off the short, congratulations, because I don't see it. I really don't see it. By the way, Max, we're shorting Sui. We are shorting Sui. We're out here shorting Sui. I feel good about it. I feel great. I feel revitalized. We're shorting it. I'm looking for 11% downside for Sui. We're not in the green, but we're still shorting it. Let's go! Yes, let's freaking go. You know what? I'm going to have to jump into YouTube University also when it comes to Discord. I don't know how to create roles for people in Discord, so I'm going to learn that later tonight. That's why I'm actually live so early, because I'm going to be just learning. So, yeah. We will have new roles in the Discord coming soon. I have to make the Discord as legitimate as I possibly can before we start getting the true degens in there who start trying to post a bunch of random spam and stuff. So if I'm sleeping and you guys see it, delete them. Delete them. Ban them. Get them out. Get them out. Damn, StoreJ just showing its strength right now. What the hell? Still trying to go up, not pulling back. I thought it was going to draw down. It's just not doing it. To learn is to live. Hope everyone's having a good day. Adam500, having a great day. I'm shorting Sui. I'm having a fantastic day. StoreJ does look like it's poised for so much upside. It's disgusting. Short term, 37%. Longer term, 95%. Yeah, out of most things, I think this one's actually going to rally throughout the night. So yeah, I'm very interested to see where I wake up and I see where StoreJ is sitting. So this will be kind of cool. You know what? I haven't looked at STG. What? I haven't looked at STG in a while. I'm starting to realize why. But wait a minute. Where are these all-time lows for Stargate? STG. That's a sharp drop. MACD showing that hidden bullish divergence. Okay. Triple bottom. Oh my god. Triple bottom. This is a rare sight. This is a rare sight. With the bullish convergence. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. STG actually is insane. As long as you stay above this candle low close. Stay above that, and you did. Oh my god. Okay. Hold on. I need to stop juicing all over my computer here. Hold on. Give me a minute. We're gonna. Oh my god, you broke out already. Oh, did you? No. Did you? Oh baby. Oh my god. STG. Looking like a gosh darn supermodel out here. What? What? Oh my god. Relative strength, uber oversold. Oh my goodness gracious. Resetting your 1 hour. Hold on. Stop it. Stop looking so good. What? Get out of here. Get out of here. Huh. I'm thinking STG could go up a lot. A lot. Yeah, Rich, she thick. She built in all those right ways. You do need a bit of a low stop loss. That's the only thing I dislike, because your 4-hour looks like absolute poop. But this thing looks good. It's bouncing too. God damn it. Excuse me? 15 minutes. It's just saying sweet nothings to me. Why? It makes me want to get out of my Sui short. But I have a personal vendetta against Sui, so I don't want to. But golly gee willikers. We have a supply line too? Are we on the supply line? Are we on it? Did we break this? We broke it. Okay, I don't feel bad. I was thinking to sell Soul and put it in Caspa. Why? Genuine question. Why? Around 5K. Why? Alright, so Solana is sitting above resistance with 27% upside. Let's take a look at Caspa. Caspa is below resistance, and it's been finding a lot of resistance. You're not just below resistance, you fell out of your channel. There's still an argument for you to come down to 10773. I personally would not do that. Personal opinion, Max. I would not do that, especially going into a Monday. I like to not make crazy decisions like that, because we can all see what happened with Caspa here. It's like, yeah, Caspa had a great attempt at recovery. You didn't even break back in. You are finding resistance at the bottom of your bullish channel. I want you to compare what you're looking at here on the 4-hour with a high stochastic, relative strength in neutral territory. It looks like you're peaking out on your MACD right here. I want you to compare this to Solana. Just compare it. High stochastic, all your moving averages below you, you're above resistance, you don't really have much holding you back from making a measured move. I don't understand why you would do that, Max. I do not understand. So if you could enlighten me, that would be great. Mag Max Cherry, going well. How are you doing today? Yeah, Max, in my personal opinion, the only argument you could give me is the fact that there's hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour for Solana. That's all I'm getting. If Caspa went back to 20, that is 2x. That's a big if. I mean, it'll get there eventually. Do you think that's going to happen before Solana hits 225? Can we look at Pi, please? Yes, we can. Sol is nice coin. Wish I bought it instead of SHIB. I'm sure SHIB's going to make you happy. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that is a great choice to trade out the thoroughbred breed right now of Solana for Caspa that lost support and needs to fight back to get it. It's that fight back that I'm worried about. It might take forever. Take profit at 225. I understand taking profit at 225. Don't get me wrong. I get that. It's just this. It's like you have to break above this resistance, this resistance, this resistance, this resistance, and break your bigger downtrend. That's a lot of resistance to break. Don't get me wrong, I definitely think it's going to happen. I just don't know how long it's going to take. So if you could bag some better gains right now, whether it be with Solana, with StorageJ, with hell, Bitcoin. I surprisingly Bitcoin looks super strong. Gonna make another high before a bear market. What? Yeah, yeah. Mag Max. Yeah. Mag Max. Is this your first bull run? Um, if it's your first bull run, I understand why you'd say that, but last bull run, every token that was in the bull run prior, all of them broke their previous highs except for XRP because XRP sucks. I hate XRP mainly for that. But no, every single other one broke their all-time highs. So yeah, Max, looking at Caspa, I mean, you can see how we've been downtrending. We still do not have any form of bullish convergence, meaning the downtrend can still continue for Caspa. And you came very close to support down here and down here. It's still in play. How high do I see Solana going? I don't know, $2,000-$3,000, something like that. Okay, Magmax, this is your first bull run. All right. We're gonna go back in time. We're gonna go back in time. I'm gonna show you. Let's go with a random coin you probably never heard of. Hot. 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 Better known as Holochain. I think Gate.io has the most information on this one. I think. Let's go out to the weekly so I can get into the right spot. Okay, it does not. What? Hold on. Who was trading this thing? Oh no, it's just lower. Oh my god, it's just lower. What year is this? 2023. No. 21. Oh wait, was Holochain, was that its first bull run? Oh, that was its first bull run. Never mind. We can't do that. Let's check out what's one that had two. IOTA. Okay, IOTA had two bull runs. We're not on the right exchange. Gate.io? Gate.io. Gate.io is a bad example. IOTA sucks too. Apparently. Apparently IOTA sucks also. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta find the right one. Wow, people saying 500, 600 for Solana? What? Only 5 or so? Are they? Oh boy, that is so low. Solana hit 260, its first ever bull run. You're looking for a 5 to 10x above that. Easy. When I watched Ethereum, there we go. We're going to do it with Ethereum. Nobody likes Ethereum anymore. No one likes Ethereum anymore. So Ethereum back here, January of 18. All right, so this is 2018. Ethereum. When I was looking at Ethereum, we were at $99. So like we were all the way down here in the depths of absolute garbage hell. Now, this is where I'm going to make my point. Last bull run. First bull run Ethereum really had here 27. I know it was around longer. Hold on. Who would have the information? Coinbase? Was Coinbase around? I don't think Coinbase was around. Bitfinex? Can I look at Bitfinex? Alright, I can't find the earlier information on Ethereum, but either way, Ethereum, it used to be dirt cheap. Absolute dirt cheap. It rallied from all the way down here at $144 up to $1,439. Alright, that was Ethereum. First time bull run. It was like, oh my god, it did so amazing. It did great. Look at what it did on the next bull run. I mean, look at the comparison. That was like nearly a 4x above. Nearly 4x. People trying to say Solana's only going to get a 3x from its previous all-time high. Are we serious? Or maybe it's going to double what it's... That's ridiculous in my eyes. But, oh, wait. It used to be called Ethereum Classic. Even Ethereum Classic. Look at this crap. Previous high, $21. The new high from the last bull run. This thing got all the way up to 179. You will be shocked in this bull run. You will be absolutely shocked. Shocketh. Ethereum Classic set up for amazing upside? Sorry. You will be shocketh. You will be amazed. You'll be... Ethereum Classic really out here set up for 330% upside. Let's go to Pi before I keep getting sidetracked. Sorry, I didn't look at the Ethereum Classic chart till now. That makes me look at Ethereum Classic way different. Holy shit. I hope Pi explodes. It went to 138 per coin this week. I want to see... What? It went to what? Oh my god! I didn't even realize it went up that high. Holy shit. We've been looking at Pi periodically. I didn't know it did that. What the hell? This is the previous week. It already had crazy volatility right now. What the heck is going on with Pi? Stochastic on the weekly, you're very high right now. You hit overbought territory on the weekly. Daily, you are overbought, but holy crap, I didn't realize it broke out like that. It hit $100. It hit 138 on some exchanges? That is nuts. Yeah, Pi's going to be one of those tokens I'm going to miss out on completely because I don't even understand how people are buying it. Or wait, they're all mining it, right? This is just the absolute free token. Daily looks like more upside. What? No, it doesn't. Daily looks like you're going to consolidate. You're overbought in your relative strength. You are overbought. Stochastic's getting pretty darn high. Flip through the time frame. I will. I'm just trying to understand where you think this thing's going to keep going up. You've had two major pullbacks with a lower high. I don't... Anyways. 4 hour. Super overbought. Coming down. Looks like you're trying to reset. Maybe they try and keep it going, but... You had a low. You just got your first lower low. I'm seeing consolidation in your future. I am seeing your consolidation happening. Let's check the 1. So even with this price action here, you set your stochastic high enough to be able to pull back further. So yeah, I'm just noticing a nice pullback. If you can hold above $50.82, yeah, this thing could rally really hard. But gotta hold that 50. Oof. You might see sideways trading action as this thing pops up. That could be the nail in the coffin, where this thing just rolls on over and sticks to your support. Could be. But yeah, looking at your higher time frame, now we got to actually figure out what are... Oh, there it is. Candle low closes on the weekly right here, posed perfectly as resistance. Guess we can mark that out because it actually mattered, and we can mark that out because it actually mattered. Outside of those, you're looking at all-time highs 188, 189, all-time high weekly candle closes. But you get above these weekly candle closes, I mean, then you have a very good argument to go. This thing got up to $344. Who would have thought? Everybody up there, if you're still holding, Nobel Peace Prize. Nobel Peace Prize. That's that price came down. Like, if they're still holding, oh man, Nobel Peace, and they actually bought it. They didn't just mine it. Nobel Peace Prize. Oh yeah, I made a video on eGold. Let's go ahead and check that out real quick. It's still relevant. Yes. eGold. It is the swing trader's dream. We're looking at massive upside. Massive upside. I love that it held up on the weekly. That makes me happy. That makes me very happy. I don't like it when videos are just like, oh, wow, it's not relevant anymore because it fell so far. Kind of like what I'm thinking out of Casper, which, oh, it's so disappointing. Because Casper, it is set up for such major upside. It's disgusting to think about. But for some reason, people keep selling it. I don't understand why. I mean, maybe the selling pressure is going to stop now, but you're just getting this weird trickle down. Your relative strength and stochastic, you are in the gutter. If you can manage to break above this little downtrend right here, you have the easiest, and I mean easiest, 48% upside. You don't find stuff like that too often, where it's just like, yeah, you know, their price is covering down, but somehow they still have tokens to sell. I mean, what's the circulating supply now? Like, how are they selling to anyone? It's kind of amazing. Yet your 4 hour, you literally are oversold and staying oversold for days on end. When this thing finally stops with the sell pressure, you're just going to see a candle, just green candle, 48%. It'll just, one candle, just boom, straight up. Like, this relative strength looks absolutely ridiculous. The stochastic, it's trying its best to stop selling on the 4 hour. It's just, it's so high on the 4 hour. It's not great. It's really not great. Let's go down to your lower time frames. Your 1 hour managed to reset its stochastic with that? Ew. You have nothing but hidden bullish divergence. Someone's buying. Someone is buying. Casper token. I just have no idea why they're doing such a bad job of it. They're doing a really bad job of buying. $15 says rally on, baby. We got oversold. We're setting our first higher low. Let's go. Let's see how it goes. Can we look at SHIB? Yes. Yes, we can. That's slightly higher low. Oh my. That is such a slight higher low. Oh boy. Alright, checking out Shiba Inu. I didn't realize SHIB looked like that. Didn't realize it. Well, SHIB is set up for a lot of upside. Let's get rid of this supply line because it doesn't matter. You did not hit your second supply line. Shiba Inu, problem we have, we hit overhead resistance. We then lost our support at 1796. Now you're just sitting in limbo. You tried to backtest your 100 simple, didn't really touch it. You are bearishly backtesting off your 200 daily. You're hanging out on top of your 50 simple on the daily. You're showing bullish convergence. Actually, no, that's hidden bullish convergence on your MACD. You can see the sell pressure here. I take it back. You got lower. Too bad. But if you look back here at this sell pressure compared to up here, you see the hidden bullish divergence. Sell pressure is gaining while price is moving up. This is actually giving Shiba Inu a chance to go up greatly. So I'd actually say Shiba Inu might be ready to rock and roll pretty soon here. You do have a downtrend that you got to worry about. Downtrend to worry about. Let's go into the 4 hour. 4 hour, a lot left to be desired. You are not oversold anymore. You could possibly come down to this supply line. So somewhere around this 1491 could happen. Me personally, I would not be trying to trade this at all because you're in the middle. Could go up, could go down. Let's get rid of this because it doesn't matter anymore, nor does that. What's up? Okay, it's right here. Enjoy. So we do have a downtrend. It does sort of look like we're trying to find support on upsloping. This wick really ruins it. Yeah, we fell out. So I would think we're gonna come down and test our supply line. Once we get that test, could look good. Hello, I'm late. Have I looked at Cardano long term? Chang, I have not looked at Cardano long term. We will check that out next, just for you. Just for you. Also, welcome in. I don't think I've seen your name in here before. Welcome in. Hopefully you're having a fantastic weekend. So Shiba Inu does have a possibility of a pullback, and the pullback could be 13%. I'm saying it could. I'm not saying it will happen. It could. So let's see what happens with this, but I could see it fall. And we're looking at fib levels. Might as well be down there. So Shiba is interesting, to say the least. It is interesting. If you're on the green line, that's where you can start forming an argument to go long. You did break out of this massive falling wedge, so your price target's all the way up here at like 3913. I think cycling profits from Sol into Cas is a phenomenal idea, because Sol is overperforming at the moment and Cas is underperforming. Banana Republic, interesting thoughts. I still believe waiting for Solana to hit its measured move at 225 might be a better option. I personally would never take out my profits of Solana before it hits that measured move, while Kaspa could still fall another 15-ish%. I just wouldn't do that. But you guys all are going to make your own decisions. I get it. But when I see something that has no overhead resistance, it's overperforming, it's looking beautiful, and then you have one that's underperforming, only going down, has not broken any type of resistance, I cannot compute it in my head that it's time. There's also no bullish divergence either. There's literally just hopium fueling the buying. Nah, keep your soul. Everyone wants to keep their soul. So, Shiba Inu, basically what I'm saying here is it has a possibility of going up, but the fact that you lost your support here and you have a supply line sitting under you, it could be a little better waiting for the supply line. Could be. But if you do break above your resistance and you hold above it, then okay. Go ahead and go long. Legend has said, if you're the 400th sub on YouTube, good fortune. I don't know. I don't make the rules. I mean, honestly, we are one sub away from being number 400. We have 399. Honestly, I feel like the algorithm's just trolling us right now. Let me refresh. No, we're at 400. Holy shit. Whoever's at 400 sub, thank you so much. I appreciate you. We hit 400, baby! Woo! Chang, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Number 400. Welcome to the OGs Club. Welcome to the OGs Club. All right. So that's my thoughts on SHIB. I would say wait for a test of something. But yeah. Nice work. Thank you. Thank you. We're still on the road to 1,000. We got to get to 420 to get our certification. Our 420 certification. We all know it. We all love it. Let's go ahead and check out Cardano for Mr. 400. You have some positives and some negatives. Some positives and negatives when it comes to Cardano. You mentioned for long term, it looks great. It looks absolutely amazing. But what you just did on finding resistance at that level, that's kind of a problem. However, very easily you could break above it, but you lost your supply line and you have officially bearishly backtested it. That's not great. You do have this local level of support right here. If you do fall down, you're gotta go to sleep. Peace out. Magmax, peace out. Hit the like, guys, on Store J. What's the profit taking I should be prepared for? I will check that out next. I forgot. I mentioned it earlier. I forgot. So, oh, it even did a liquidity grab before it came down? That's annoying. That is so annoying. So, the positive that ADA did do, you had this downtrending level of resistance that you've broken out of. The negative is you found resistance at this 34.37. If you are unable to get back up above this 34.37, very quickly you can see yourself trading anywhere between 31.50 and 31.07. Somewhere in that range could be happening. Noted, if you do come down here and test right around here while still broken out, that might be the long of the century. Coming out to your 4-hour time frame, you have a very high stochastic. You're sitting in neutral territory. So this thing actually can drop. If you come down and you get a back test, awesome. If you stay above 32.57 on that back test, way more awesome. Because you can see the 4-hour candle closes both these two and these two. It looks like a very good level of support. So it would be nice if you just tested it one more time. It's kind of like Britney Spears. Hit me, baby, one more time. So we actually are going to mark that out as well. It looks totally different on the 1 hour. Why do you look so much different on the 1 hour compared to the 4 hour? Oh my goodness. All right, we're focused in on the 4 hour, 32.58. If you can hit that 32.58 and hold it strong, could be a great opportunity. All right, coming down to your 1 hour again. 1 hour is trying to reset right now. If this thing is capable of resetting and getting a bounce, we could see ADA popping up to 36.34, going down to your 15 minute. 15 minute wants to get some form of bids. It's hoping for the best. So now, you mentioned long term. Let's pull it back out to the weekly. As for a long term, you had a double bottom situation. You popped up out of there. Now it looks like you're trying to form a bottom, a much higher low, which if you do maintain this, 77 cents is pretty much where you're targeting for the shorter term. Longer term, you'd be looking anywhere between $1.18 and $1.31. And if you're just hanging on to it for the bull run, sky's the limit. This thing, considering its last high was $3.10, you could see it trading anywhere between like $6 and $30. It's kind of ridiculous when bull runs get started, but for the long term, you're in a very good accumulation range, and you could hold it for a very long time. So that's what I currently see out of ADA Cardano. Alert, guys, Moonwell breaking out. What's profit taking? I think we looked at that. Let's go into the Store J one first. Thanks, love it. No problem, Chang. Here to help. Store J. Sui short, looking beautiful. Store J, as I mentioned earlier in stream, it is running. Your first profit taking level, you're probably going to be looking at 64.72. Second profit taking, 91.77. Moonwell. What? Oh, it's just called Well? Huh. Go figure. Well. Well. What do you mean it's breaking out? You, god dang it. Closer. It's not breaking out yet. Getting our hopes up. If it does break out, target is 18897. Not breaking out yet. We serious? It's possible. It's very possible. Bullish times, bullish things happen. Why is Sui getting so many bids? We were just down 1.7%. Now it's 1.18. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Moonwell, cusp of a breakout. It's on the cusp. Yeah, 4 hours trying to do it. My bad, it looks like... It's fine. Not quite there. Not quite there. Oh, finding some resistance off of it, though. Let's check the 15. Let's see if it's going to do it. 15's leaving a little bit to be desired. Not quite broken out. You're wicking up and you're hitting it. Hitting it. If you do break, this thing could run up a lot. Like, a lot. And it would be without a formal back test. Yeah. I'm not certain you're going to get it. I'm not certain it's going to do it. I'm just not certain. Things are that overbought. I just... I like to stay away from them. In my past, I've been screwed by them more often than not. Alright, we're going to go back to STG, the one that I was basically creaming over when I was staring at it earlier. Oh my. We're getting the confirmed back test. It looks good. STG looks so good. Formal back test on the 1 hour. Oh, that looks great. 11.81% upside possible. Oh my gosh. I can at least trade this, right? I can at least trade this. I can, and it's hot. It's so hot. Okay, alright. Jesus Christ. STG set up for some upside. Jesus. Oh boy. Didn't care about the 7 minute. 7 minute was oversold. Cool. 15 minute. Pretty darn low. Trying to hold your 200 simple moving average. And let's just objectively say, let's just say this is a thing. You're in the right area. Let's... Who the hell? It's a terrible smell. Terrible smell. So anyways, guys, it does look like market is doing pretty darn decent out here tonight. Certain things look way more bullish than others. Other things look way more bearish than others. So be careful on your trades. Hopefully you all have some tight stop losses, or you're just spot trading. But I do think we're about to get ready for a very lucrative week. Oh, Dogecoin. I got a message from Max. He was like, Elon said something about Doge. And then it just started going up. And I was like, cool. Dogecoin's target still sitting at 18 cents. 18 cents. Casper, looking like it's finally getting some bids. Casper, looking like it's finally getting some bids. You're pointing up on your stochastic. I think I found an entry for Casper. That is awesome. Found an entry for Casper. Casper's set up for only upside. Like you're at your all-time lows. So 46% upside till you hit overhead resistance. 46%. That's nothing to scoff at. It is a beautiful trade setup. It looks good. All you got to do is maintain above this wick low at 737. Hundredths of a penny. Anyways, guys, I'm going to hop on out of here. Appreciate you all for being here. Chang, Mr. 400, thank you so much for being the 400th sub. Appreciate you. We've been stuck at $3.99 for 2 days. Been awful. We do stream daily, So join us. Also join the Discord. It's a great place to be a part of the team, where also you can just ask for any requests. It's in the link down below. Later, man. Take care. Later. Also, there's a link to the Discord. There's a link to Discord. I appreciate you all. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. Take it easy. If I wake up in time, I'll be here for Market Open. Don't count on me. Do not count on me. So if you just happen to see the alert and you want to tune in, great. If not, it's fine. But yeah. Stay tuned for any YouTube videos popping up as well. Take it easy. Keep those stop losses tight. I'll catch you later. Deuces, y'all. Deuces.